Backyardigans. Under the sea. Hi, I am Uniqua. I am a diver. I explore the sea with my team. We want to see if we can find the Mermaid Queen. We must dive deep to the reef to sneak a peek at the Mermaid Queen. Diver Uniqua told her team. Slow your speed as we go into the green seaweed, warned Diver Uniqua. It is easy to get stuck, so we need to be careful. The submarine gained speed. Turn the wheel, ordered Diver Uniqua. We need to steer clear of the reef. We missed the reef, but now we have a leak, shouted Diver Pablo. We are knee-deep in water. There seems to be no way to fix this leak, said Diver Uniqua. We can help if you promise to keep our undersea city a secret, said the Mermaid Queen. The Mermaid Queen helped us fix the leak, cheered Diver Uniqua. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your continued support. We'll see you all in the next video.